I'm gonna do a quick video on how to change your battery here on your BMW 530i. This is my daughter 2007 BMW. And this is pretty easy to do, it's pretty simple. So only thing you wanna do is come right here and you wanna press this, and you wanna press it in. You can see right here how I press it in, and then you pull the key out. Once you pull the key out, if you look right in here, you take a screwdriver, a small screwdriver, and you want to place it right in this little groove right here. And once you place it in there, you want to twist it just a little bit. Be careful, and it'll pop right off. You probably heard it click. When it pops right off, you just pull that off, and there you go. There's your battery. I'm gonna turn it around. I'm gonna take the battery out so you can have a good look at it. This battery in here, if you look at it, it's a CR2032. CR2032. That means it's 20 millimeters across and it's 3.2 millimeters thick. So it's 20 millimeters across and 3.2 millimeters thick. That's what those numbers need. And to put it back in, just take the battery. You want to put it at a little angle here, press it down, take your cap, you just line these grooves up together right here, and you hear it snap into place. That's it. That's all to it. So this is how you change the battery on your BMW Key Fob. It's 2007 530i. Okay, I hope this video helped, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you and have a great day.